Welcome back, followers. In this video, we'll take a look at a burnt MOSFET issue on my HGLRC Petrel 85mm analog whoop, show you how it was repaired, and verify motor performance using BetaFlight Configurator. This is the damaged area of the AIO flight controller. One of the MOSFETs got burnt, likely due to a short or overload during flight. This resulted in a substantial RPM drop in one motor compared to the other three, affecting flight stability. I sourced the replacement MOSFET from robu.in and got it professionally replaced at DRKSTORE.com. The soldering was precise and clean, restoring full functionality. Now, let's verify the motor output using BetaFlight Configurator. With throttle input set equally to all four motors, we observe balanced RPMs across the board, confirming a successful repair. With all four motors back in action, the HGLRC Petrel 85 is ready to fly again. What started as a confusing low RPM issue was traced back to a burnt MOSFET thanks to insights from the TinyWhoop Reddit community, a quick AI search on Perplexity, and repair guidance from DRKSTORE support.